Hello learners, welcome back. Welcome back to the world of group theory, crash course day 4. Today we see about the point group. What's your molecular point group? Before that, what is point group? Point group is the one symmetry operation. It helps to classify the molecule based upon their symmetry. So it's called, for that classify the molecule based upon the symmetry is known as the point group. You generally call as the point group. The point group has three types: low symmetry point group, medium symmetry point group, and high symmetry point group. For the low symmetry point group, it has the point group term of C1, Ci, Cs. And for medium symmetry point group, Cn, Cnv, Cnh, Dn, Dnv, Dnh, Hz. For high, Td, OH, Th, To, IH, I, T infinite H, C infinite. So based upon this symmetry, the molecule is classified upon this point group. So the point group has three types. One is low, medium, another one is high. In today's class, we see about the low point groups and first three medium point groups. First, low point group. What are the low point group? C1, Ci, and Cs. So for C1, nothing has happened because in the C1 type, it has identity only. What is identity? All the molecule has the identity, the term E, it's doing nothing to molecule. So that type of molecule is belongs to the C1 point group. For the C1 point group, the example for that one is this molecule. For that, this has no plane, no rotation type of molecules, no axis. So it has only identity only. So it belongs to C1 group. Next one is Ci. From the name only we can identify what happening here. It have inversion. So I belongs to what? Inversion. And all the molecule has some identity. So this type of molecule only has identity and inversion. What is inversion happening? With the basis of center point, the molecule is inverted. So based upon this point, the molecule is rotated. This molecule has no plane. So it has no plane of symmetry. This molecule has, so this is the best example for the Ci. And third type is Cs. So Cs is based for the plane of symmetry. So this molecule has only E, identity E, and sigma. So this molecule is example for that plane of symmetry Cs. So this in this molecule we have bisects the molecule with each other or through this angle or through this dihedral. So this molecule has plane of symmetry and identity. So these three are the low type symmetry molecules, and C1, Ci, Cs, this three point group, and these are the example for this point group. Next we see about the medium point group. In the medium type, first we know about the Cn. Cn. It has only axis of rotation. The n belongs to what? 2, 3, 4 and so on. Because C1 has only identity only. C2, C3 has the rotation. For example, we take this organometallic compound. This molecule has rotated into up to 3 rotation. Because up to 3 on the third rotation, it has the original. Get back to original image. So this molecule has the C3 point group. This molecule has the C3 point group. Next, we have the example for the N to H4. In the N to H4, it has a not in the plane. So it has the 2 rotation. Up to 180 degree, we have rotate the molecules to two rotations. So it has the C2 point group. Next, we have the CNV point group. In the CNV point group, it has the identity and the CN rotation, and B belongs to what? B belongs to sigma V in reflection in vertical axis. So in the CNV point group we have identity, CN rotation and sigma V plane. What is sigma V plane? These are the three axes X, Y, Z. In the X axis, in this plane, we reflect this image with respect to Z axis, and this bisect to each other is known as the sigma V plane, and it is vertical to the X and Y axis. So for the C and V, we have the best example here, that is H2O. Water is the best example for the C and V point group because the water has, we already know about it, has C2 rotation. Up to the second rotation, it gets back to original position. So this in the water is bisect to each other with respect to Z axis. We cut this molecule, they are bisect to each other. This is the sigma YZ and this is the sigma XZ. So it has the sigma V plane. So C2 plus sigma V plane is equal to C2V point group. So water is belongs to what? C2V point group. Here another example for C3V point group. Then this ammonia we have to rotate up to 3 rotation, and ammonia also have the vertical plane. So it's have the C3V point group. Next, we know about the C and H point group. In the C and H point group, what? It has identity E and the C and rotation and the sigma plane. In the name that only we can identify the H. So sigma H plane only. Suppose the molecule has both or three plane, sigma H, sigma V and sigma D. We go the priority to sigma H only because the sigma H is the first prioritable plane of symmetry. So for that one, we have the example of NTF2. In the NTF2, it has the C2 rotation. We cut the molecule through the vertical plane and horizontal plane, but we give the priority for sigma H. So C2 plus sigma H is equal to C2H. So N2F2 has belongs to C2H point group. So these are the four molecules. We try it and give the answer in the comment section. So from today, we know about the water's point group and how point group is classified into three symmetry levels: low, medium, high. And we have know about the low point group and medium point group. In tomorrow, we see the another interesting topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you.